Hey guys, Jansen Fancher here, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. And today I'm going to be showing you a 2019 Harris Grand Mariner 270. The black with the red accent. It's got the Lake Ozark package of wonderful 27-inch tunes. Also has the pontoon wrap by Vantage. The carbon fiber look there. Has a sports tower where you guys can pull and do whatever you wish behind. Same here, got the 350 Mercury Verado. What a beauty. As we move on board, we have the JL Audio remote, which means we got a JL Audio system. Lots of storage on this. Got the table stored in here, some fenders, rear deck speakers here for the people swimming, be able to hear the music. Got your battery switches in here. This is adjustable. Make the swim pad larger. We have dual hinge seating. Super easy to use. So you move forward. Got your controls in the helm. Harris is known for their comfort in their seats. And man, let me tell you, this does have a raised helm in this 270. JL Audio head unit. Simrad display where you'll get your fish finder, your depth, that sort of thing. Got your Bimini, LED accent lighting, cup holders. Comes with an AO cooler, can fit up to a 24 pack inside. And here, optional changing room or additional storage, your call. Here, where you can store your lines, fenders, skis, super deep, lots of storage in there. Cup holders on the go, adjustable, and can move anywhere. That easy. All these seats are hinged. You have singles here in the front two seats, and then you have that dual hinge here. One hand, and it's that easy. This will conclude our quick tour on the 2019 Harris Grand Mariner 270. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me at 573-606-3029. Have a great day.